So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Kohler Cimarron toilet. These are the all-in-one, like the complete solution you can get right out of Lowe's or Home Depot. We went over to the supply house and we got a price quote on there. It's about another $70 for the same toilet. So we just stopped by Lowe's and picked one up. Anyway, so Kohler Cimarron, this is a workhorse. We've been installing these probably for the last 25-30 years, and elongated chair height, so that's 17-inch to the seat right here, so that's good. And got you some new caulking back in. We did replace the water supply line. We like to do that. This was a new toilet 2 years back. We set I think it's a Wellworth in here, and it was round but standard height 15, so a little too short. And so we're back out now with the elongated chair height, and so brand new supply line coming up there. The other one was probably fine, but we just do it anytime we change it and put a new toilet in. Minimum, we replace the supply line, and if the valve is bad, we replace that as well. In this case, the valve is fine. It's no dripping anywhere down there, so it's good. So the toilet is filling correctly, shutting down correctly, flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.